Hey again, another episode. The inside is done. You will have seen that on episode 7. And now I'm going to try and see if I can install the new panels before the weekend, because that's when we leave on holiday in a big road trip. And I'd quite like to replace the panels before that. Shouldn't be a really big job, but it takes time to do it properly. So these are, it's going to be 2 of these 150 watt panels, and they're going to be connected in series. And the way I'm doing it, they're bolting onto the roof because the California has got C rails or C channels where you can just slot in T-nuts or T-bolts. And then these lengths that I've already cut and drilled, these just go on here like that, centered of course, and then this bolts onto the roof. And I'll rivet this to the panel, both sides. This sits across the roof, not lengthwise, but across, one at the front, one at the rear. And then, because the roof is curved, both lengthwise and across as well, I can't just bolt them straight on. I need to lift them up, because otherwise the center of the panel is gonna rub against the roof. So I just cut some lengths of rectangular aluminum tube and printed some parts to go inside it to fill it up and give it some more firmness. This will act as a riser, raising the panels up about 25 mil, so there is no chance that the panel can rub against the roof. And I've also cut a couple more lengths. I'm not sure I'm going to use these. I still have to cut them along here, along the long side, to make them fit inside here, so I can maybe zip tie the cables. I'll try it along this edge, but it might just be better if I put this inside there. We'll see. But yeah, I've got all of these cut, drilled, painted, all the parts printed. That's good to go. The rails are cut and drilled as well. Just need to drill for the rivets. I'm gonna clamp the rails to the panels, center them, drill both at once so that the holes are perfectly aligned, and then rivet them, probably with stainless or alley, I'm not sure. These bumpers are coming off, I'm sure. They have no business being here. Yeah, can't get them off. I'll need a little pry for that. But yeah, so hopefully later today, it's Wednesday by the way. I've been just cutting the pieces and getting everything done from Monday, yesterday, and now today, when I get back from work, it's not lunchtime, maybe I can finish this. So remove the old panels, remove the old cabling. You'll see me do that, I hope, just up next. Hey guys, you meet me at the top of the van. It's Thursday. I did get them installed last night, finished around 2 a.m. Sorry, I don't think you will have seen the whole thing. The battery on the GoPro ran out just as I was finishing, but you did see most of it. They're here, they're done. And well, it's 300 watts, similar panels, twin panels really, connected in series. Interested to see how well it performs. Previously I had 2 different panels, not sure why, connected in parallel, but for the past couple of years I've noticed they've decreased in performance. So we'll see what these do. We're going on holiday on Saturday, day after tomorrow, and I might do a video while we're out and about how the system is performing and going a bit into the maths of all of it and the usability. So maybe you enjoy that. So yeah, that's it for this one. Pretty much a quick build. 2 days of prepping stuff and 1 day of actually installing it. I think it's sturdy, it's nice like this. But time will tell. So see you on the next one. Bye bye.